Mathaa manini mbere ya bururi ukungũĩire mambura ma muthe wa Jamhuri, mutongoria wa bururi Uhuru Kenyatta ni aririkanie na gũkũngũĩra mũtũrĩre wa njamba ya bururi Ronald Ngala.
This monument has been erected in honor of the late Honorable Ronald Ngala for his outstanding contribution to Kenya's independence.
Mari hamwe na family ya Ngala, President Kenyatta hamwe na minista wa mathako Amina Mohamed ni marugoririe mucongo wa Ngala barabara-ini ira etanitio nayo ya Ronald Ngala ira igatagati ka muciĩ wa Nairobi, kuria Ngala agwetirwo ta mundu uria wahotire kuhuranira gatiba ya mbere ya bururi thutha wa Kenya kweruta moko-ini ma utongoria wa nyakeru.
Development of Kenya's first constitution, his sterling service to the nation post-independence, and for his vision for the devolution we have today, which was inspired by his founding principles of majimboism in Kenya.
Igongona riri riukite miaka 49 kuma riria akuire mwaka-ini wa 1972 mutino-ini wa barabara ari na miaka 49.
Tuko na statue ambaye natukumbusha watu kama Dedan Kimathi leo hapa, na kuna ingine kule Machakos ambaye inatukumbusha maisha ya Bwana Paul Ngei.
Part of our mandate as Ministry of Sports, Culture and Heritage is to honor and promote the welfare of our heroes and heroines, including the installation of monuments in their memory. I remember clearly, Your Excellency, when you gave us instructions on making sure that the statue of the late Ronald Ngala is erected as quickly as possible, and especially before the Jamhuri celebrations.
President niongereire kuga ati kugerera watho uria ugathikitwo njorua ciothe cia tene ona gwata cia matuko maya no iguthi na mbere na gutugwo niguo gutigirira kihumo kia wathani na utongoria wa bururi ndonahuka.
Tutaendelea kwa njia hiyo hiyo kupitia sasa ile sheria ambayo tumepitisha, the Heroes Act, ya kuhakikisha ya kwamba mashujaa wote ambao wametangulia watakumbukwa kwa njia moja ama nyingine, na kuhakikisha ya kwamba vizazi vijavyo zina uwezo wa kujua wale ambao sisi zote siku ya leo tunasimama juu ya mabega yao.
Mwena-ini wake murio wake no akatana Ngala ni agwetire ithe ta mutongoria njamba guku agicokeria thirikari ngatho ni undu wa gutia family yake.
Ngala is remembered for his sterling service to Kenya as a nationalist and a strong believer in regionalism.
Ngala aciarirwo kaunti ya Kilifi na akianjĩrĩria thabarĩ yake ya uteti ari ta mutongoria wa kiama gia KADU, na thutha wa bururi kugia na wiyathi agithurwo ta minista ni uria wari President Mzee Jomo Kenyatta.
Wazee wetu walituambia ya kwamba mkosa mila ni mtumwa, na sisi pia lazima tujue ya kwamba nchi ambaye inasahau mashujaa wake pia sio nchi.
Gerifotera Kameme TV, Jeta Getau wa Wajiko.